Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install iOS launcher in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and here search for iOS launcher. I already searched here and then as you see we have this launcher iOS 18. Just select this and then install this launcher. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection that time. After that, just open it and allow all the permission. Go back to home screen and go to settings where we have option of apps. Just click on apps and then go to default apps. Click default apps. As you see we have option of home app. Just click on home app and then select launcher iOS 18. Click got it. So as you see the launcher is now updated to iOS and it seems like an iPhone. So through this method you guys can update or install iOS launcher in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.